Hi everyone, my name is Casey. I am taking this course because I postponed my field placement for combination personal health reasons and also due to the pandemic. And I have this course in its place. I just finished medical social work and am now happy to be in human sexuality and taking it sooner rather than later at the end of the program. One area of human sexuality that interests me and that I'm looking forward to learning more about is gender fluidity. I think I do a lot of my own personal research, and there are a lot of materials available to us right now on the internet, of course, and otherwise, but I am looking forward to having some formal education surrounding the subject and just digging a little deeper. Um, what would I want for safety in this course? Um, just to be able to express what I do and don't know and feel comfortable in everyone respecting one another for the level of knowledge that they have surrounding each subject that we learn about. I think that that's really important that would be what would make me feel safe is to know that I'm in an environment where I can be open about what I have more knowledge on and what maybe I need more education in. Um, yeah, so I'm looking forward to this course probably more than any other course so far. And I really look forward to working with all of you. Thank you.